Volcanoes are some of the most powerful forces on Earth. They can build mountains, create new islands, and even change the weather. But behind their fiery eruptions, volcanoes hide many mysteries. One big question scientists still ask is, what triggers a volcanic eruption? We know magma rises from deep inside the Earth, but why some volcanoes stay quiet for centuries and suddenly explode with massive force is still not fully understood. Another mystery is the supervolcanoes. These giants, like Yellowstone in the USA, could cover whole continents in ash if they erupted. But when will they erupt again? No one knows. Then there are underwater volcanoes. Hidden beneath the oceans, they erupt silently, creating new landforms and strange ecosystems. Some even believe mysterious sea creatures live near these fiery vents. Volcanoes have also inspired myths and legends. Ancient Hawaiians believed the goddess Pele controlled volcanoes, while the Romans thought gods were forging weapons inside Mount Etna. And here's another mystery. Volcanoes don't just destroy, they also create. The rich soils around them grow some of the best crops in the world. So are they nature's curse or nature's gift? From hidden supervolcanoes to fiery myths, volcanoes remind us how powerful and mysterious our planet truly is.